Drink water again. Number one knife reviewer on YouTube. Probably the entire planet. I don't know. Sometimes you see a knife, you just want to check it out. I always thought this was really attractive, so keep looking at it once in a while. There it is. Custom Knife Factory Sukhoi-4, or however you pronounce it. When this came out, I was like, man, that is cool. Just didn't want to spend all that money on it. Ended up seeing this on Blade Binge for quite a bit less than what they were new. And this thing's in just mint condition. Might as well be new. Super happy to be able to check these out finally. Got that Sukhoi pocket clip. Pivot collar Sukhoi. I think they look nice. Got these milled carbon fiber inlays. They're just setting there really good. Kind of curve up over the top there. It's just a darkened titanium backspacer, big chunky one. Pretty cool. Yeah. Just thought, man, this is an awesome looking design. Like the cutouts in the blade here. We got M398. Better not drop it, right? And flip it open. Kid screaming. Nice big blade on there. Cool grinds. Feels like it might be a little bit of a hollow grind. Yeah. Big long blade. It's got to be about 4 inches. Let's see. And just a little bit over 4-inch blade. That's cool. It's a big long knife. And looks like it's just under 10 inches overall. Can't tell. It's not very flat. Yeah, it's a big one. Nice and smooth. Reverse flick it. Make a little ring. Yeah. Good action. Hear that better up here. Snaps open. Lockup sounds good. I don't think this one's oiled at all. A little oil would probably, yeah. Sounds pretty dry. Yeah. Cool finish on here. I don't know if that's like a bead blast or something very fine. Very, very fine substrate on there. I'll drip a little oil in there. supposed to be a little bit. Move it around. Definitely need some oil. Might need a cleaning. Had this in my pocket a little earlier. Sounds a little like something in there. It's all right. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on this thing. Another CKF in the collection. Definitely a good looking knife. There it is again. Got some milling here, the lock bar. Milling in the titanium there quite a bit. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.